This family photo collage can be used personally, or you can sell it on e-commerce like Etsy or etc. Open Canva and click Create. Choose custom size. Choose pixel in units and type here 4500. 4500 also in height. And then click Create New Design. Go to element and type here tree plan illustration. Enter. Under graphic, scroll down. Choose the free element like this one. And then I will change all this color to a dark gray. Click here and click here. I will choose this gray. Click again to the second color and click here. Change all these four colors to this dark gray. You can also change the color of the background now. Just click on the background and click this color button. And click this plus button and you can use this color. Okay. And then add the frame. Go back to element. Close it and scroll down to frames and type here apple. You can choose any shape. I will choose this apple. I will make it smaller like this. And then I will add a stroke. Let's see. I will add a stroke about 40. Yeah. And then change the color. Can change the color to this dark red or burgundy. Okay, and then just duplicate it, place it here. Select them both. And then duplicate. Can place it here. Duplicate again. And place it here. And then again duplicate. Place it here. Duplicate to be placed here. And then just duplicate it again. Place it here. I will duplicate one more of this and place it here. Can slide it to the right a little. Okay, and also this one. Duplicate and place here. All right. Can adjust the position like that. And also you can reduce the size and add more frame here. And if you want to fill it, just add a photo here. Add a photo like this and then drag it to the frame. All right. And once you finish, fill it with all the photos. Just click share, download as PNG or PDF to be print and click download. Or if you want to sell it on Etsy and any other marketplace, just click share, click see all, and click template link. This is for Canva Pro. And then click create template link. And then click copy and paste the copy on the PDF that you want to upload to the marketplace, or you can sell it directly to your friend or your customer. Alright, so this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.